Nothing is more precious than our children, and we're trying to keep them safe whenever we can. But who can we entrust with our children's safety when we're not around? MIFRAM Security is proud to present protection measures for public spaces and schools against shooters. The first line of defense is the screening process that includes state-of-the-art facial recognition and weapon detection systems from 15 yards. If an armed intruder is detected, a guard can trigger an alarm that initiates an automatic lockdown and an immediate call for first responders with photos of the intruders. The alarm alerts teachers and students to use MIFRAM's Expandable Safe Rooms. The ISRS, Indoor Safe Room System, and ESR, Expandable Safe Room, can accommodate up to 30 children or 26 adults. Bullets that can penetrate windows, doors, and drywall cannot penetrate MIFRAM's safe havens. Our security measures can keep children and adults safe until the threat is neutralized.
This is the police. We have you surrounded.
MIFRAM's ISRS and ESRs can be manually or automatically deployed, and even be used for a long stay. They are resistant to hurricanes, tornadoes, and of course, bulletproof against firearms with various stopping capabilities, up to NIJ-4. MIFRAM Security specializes in school safety and security consulting and engineering services, and integrating these two segments to provide total security solutions of the highest standard within seconds. MIFRAM, built to protect.